Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing template sliders and PowerPoint using morph transition. So let's start. First of all, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you're going to insert a rectangle somewhat right like this, and you're going to duplicate it 4 times and place them, group them, and you're gonna increase the size that they cover the entire slide, remove the outline, ungroup them, and change the color to this brown color. Now go to format shape and go to shadow and give it this shadow. You're gonna decrease the transparency. There you are. Now what you're gonna do is select all of them. You're gonna change the shadow to the first shadow because I don't really like that other shadow. We're going to send this rectangle into the front so its outline is shown. So from the previous slide, I'm going to copy all my text. You can also copy your text. Now I'm going to paste it right here. But as you can see, they all have different colors. So first of all, I'm going to select them all and change their color to black. Let's unselect them. Select only the headers. And you're going to move them into the middle. And if you want to change any other headers, you can also change the headers. But there you go. I have like exchanged their places. Let's do something like this. Select all of the text and you're gonna move them into the center and into the middle, and you can arrange them vertically and horizontally as well. There you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to pictures and insert a picture that fits the rectangle. You're gonna adjust its size as same as the rectangle size, width and height both. You're gonna move it and place it into the left side of the first rectangle out of the slide, and you're gonna go to Insert tab. You're gonna duplicate the first rectangle, place it onto the picture, go to Format Shape, give it gradient. So I'm gonna use a combination of gray and brown gradient. Something like this. And the next thing I'm gonna do is add a more darker gray color. Let's go to more colors for this brown shade. And from here I'm gonna use much lighter brown shade. Now let's adjust the gradient stops and we're all set. Now the next thing we're gonna do is move the gradient rectangle from the picture, and we're gonna send the picture to the back and place the gradient onto the picture. And we're gonna select both and we're gonna press Control D to group them. There you go. From selection pan, we're gonna adjust the rectangle that the first one is into the front, and the second one rectangle is into the third, and it's backwards onto from the second rectangle. Likewise, we're gonna do the same settings for all of the rectangles. As you can see, we're gonna move the picture onto the first rectangle. We're gonna move the text upwards. Only the header. We're gonna only move the header upwards. We're gonna add some content text in between the header and the numbers. Adjust the content text and select all of the text onto the slide. I mean onto this rectangle. Yeah, something like this, and we're gonna change this color that suits it and is visible onto the brown picture color. So I'm gonna just use white color, and there you go. Duplicate the slide. And what you're gonna do next is move the picture onto the second rectangle, move the header upwards, and there you go. Duplicate the content text and move it onto the second rectangle, something like this. And the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate the slide and move the third picture onto the third of the rectangle. Move the header upwards, paste the content text, select all the text, and give it a white color. Now you're gonna move the picture. First of all, duplicate the slide, move the picture onto the fourth rectangle, and you're gonna move the header upwards, move the content text into this rectangle, and next you're gonna change all of the text color into white. Now you're gonna bring the rectangles into good position. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. And if you like the video, you can get this template for free from the link in the description below. You can also check out my Patreon to get more free PowerPoint templates. And don't forget to comment down and check our new latest videos.